Tired of scattered marketing efforts? Trying to piece together what is and is not working for your dealership? Turn to your single source marketing solution, iProfit Marketing, now available on the iProfit platform. iProfit Marketing is the only place you need to turn for innovative and cost-effective marketing campaigns. IPM is your one-stop shop for all your marketing needs, from individual marketing materials to total package concepts. They provide industry-leading and cutting-edge digital and traditional expertise. They offer the experience, resources, and services that clients want, along with the flexibility and accountability that clients need. From creative services, media buying, in-house production, website development, online marketing services, corporate identity and branding, promotional campaigns, print, radio, TV, cable, infomercials, outdoor, direct mail, and more. Stop wasting time shooting in the dark, hoping your marketing efforts work. Tap into a revolutionary platform of proven products and professionals that ensure your dealership's success. IPM offers complete 100% turnkey programs, customized solutions, or an a la carte approach utilizing our numerous iProfit platform partners. You can pick and choose what best fits your needs. This allows you to get comprehensive marketing at a substantial savings, allowing for optimal profits. Strategic marketing matters in this competitive automotive marketplace, and you need a team, the iProfit Marketing Team, to help you every step of the way. When you're ready to make the most of your marketing budget, contact the iProfit platform and get the IPM team on the road to success and profitable promotions for your business.